Have you ever looked at your response in ChatGPT and wondered how you can elevate it? I'm here today to show you how. Once you've got your response from ChatGPT or your preferred AI tool, you can ask it to rank out of 10 for what you're aiming for. For example, maybe you're an electrician and you're wanting it to sound professional, but to make it easier for a certain age group to understand, ask it to rank the response for retired couples over 60s. Once it ranks it will give you some recommendations. You have two ways to use this information. You can either look at the list of recommendations and ask it to improve the response based on the numbers that you choose. Or you can ask it, how can you get to a 10 out of 10? ChatGPT will then give you some recommendations from which you can then select which ones you want to go with. One final bonus tip, ChatGPT and other AI tools use US grammar first up. For a quick way to change this, type in, please use UK grammar with the brackets Australia in it. I hope you've enjoyed the AI tips this week. Subscribe for more.